This is Cuppa, a cordless touch LED lamp with minimalist design and can be easily carried around. Yeah, we mean literally from indoors to outdoors. The 360-degree Any Touch provides on-off control from any position on the base. No more fumbling around for a tiny switch on the cord. The stepless dimming gives your favorite type of illumination, and the memory mode allows you to turn Cuppa back on each time with the previous brightness level. Featuring Type-C fast charging, Cuppa can last for 2 hours with only 10 minutes charging. With a full charge, it can even last as long as 12 hours. Cuppa only weighs the same as a cup of coffee. And the sticky base pad makes Cuppa extremely steady, giving it zero chance of falling off. Cuppa comes in 3 colors and blends in with all types of furniture and decorations. It's flame retardant, waterproof, and there's even no risk of an electrical shock. This is Cuppa, a minimalist yet functional LED touch lamp with extraordinary quality that you can carry around anywhere. Cuppa.